digital power identity is coming back, powered by blockchain. So we're going to be reviewing this article from CoinMarketCap's blog. Article was written by Leo Jacobson. So you guys, if this is your first time of coming to our YouTube channel, it's your keys. So feel free to like, share, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube channel if you find our uploads beneficial or informative enough for you. So on table of contents, we'll be looking at growth and unrest. It said blockchain, artificial intelligence, and biometrics will form the technological core of a rapidly growing digital identity market over the next decade. Say a new report predicts, driven by rising security threats and the ongoing digital transformation of commerce and government services, tokenized ID will redefine security and identity recognition by 2030. So according to global consulting firm Frost and Sullivan, so Aravind, that's a long name, so senior research analyst ICT at Frost and Sullivan said, national identification programs are gaining prominence as countries are striving to establish a unified database of robust, unique identity documents of citizens for ease of governance. He also added that by 2030, advancements in blockchain technology will lead to its integration with biometrics, resulting in the establishment of a single token digital identity for individuals. So these blockchain biometric systems go beyond simple fingerprint scanners. Behavioral biometrics include techniques like keystroke dynamics, gait analysis, voice ID, mouse use characteristics, and signature analysis. So the cybersecurity required to protect digital identity database will also be substantial. So Frost and Sullivan said, partnering with blockchain technology companies can enhance digital identity solution offerings as well as overall security and efficiency. So, guys, we have a CoinMarketCap podcast here available on Apple Podcast, Spotify, Google Podcast, and more. Guys, can check it out. Usually very informative too, guys. So, on growth and unrest, he said on the security side, threats ranging from civil unrest and illegal immigration to terrorism is one of the drivers of this move towards secure digital IDs. Frost and Sullivan said in a release. Another is the growing digital transformation of society as a whole, which is causing digital transactions to soar, along with sophisticated hacking and identity theft. So as hackers adopt refined technologies to disrupt and bypass security systems, the report said advanced biometrics powered ID systems are expected to become crucial means to enhance security by 2030. So the early adopters of digital ID systems will include e-banking, e-government, digital transactions, mobile transactions, and airport security. So Frost and Sullivan predicted, however, developing and poor uh, economies are another prime target of tokenized digital identity solutions. The company said, noting that a 2019 survey by the World Bank found that 900 million people do not have legal identity documents. So, you guys, I hope you find this informative. If you do, don't forget to like, share. You can, if you have any suggestions or contributions, can drop in the comment section. Shabai keys. For our first 1,000 subscribers, you want to subscribe because we'll be giving out giveaways. We're doing a little package for our subscribers. So you want to be part of it, subscribe to our YouTube channel, guys. Shabai keys. Thanks for watching and see you in our future uploads, guys.